Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of virtual reality, or as we like to call it, VR. So, grab your headsets and let's explore the complete details about virtual reality. Introduction. Virtual reality, VR, is a computer-generated simulation or artificial environment that immerses users in a three-dimensional, interactive experience. It uses a combination of computer graphics, audio, and various input methods to create a realistic, interactive, and immersive experience that can simulate real-world environments or entirely fictional worlds. VR allows users to feel like they are physically present in a virtual environment, even though they are actually interacting with a digital representation. Key components of virtual reality. One head-mounted display, HMD. The primary hardware used in VR is the head-mounted display, commonly known as a VR headset. It is worn over the user's head, covering their eyes, and often includes built-in screens or lenses that display the virtual world in stereoscopic 3D. Some popular VR headsets include Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, PlayStation VR, and Valve Index. 2. Motion tracking. VR systems typically use motion tracking sensors to monitor the user's movements. This allows the VR environment to respond to the user's head and body movements, providing a sense of immersion and realism. The user can look around, interact with objects, and navigate the virtual world using motion controllers or other input devices. 3. Motion controllers. These handheld devices are used to track the user's hand movements in the virtual environment. They provide a more intuitive way to interact with the virtual world, enabling actions like grabbing objects, pointing, and gesturing. 4. Audio. Realistic audio is crucial for a fully immersive VR experience. 3D audio technology is used to create spatial sound, where sound sources appear to come from specific directions and distances, enhancing the sense of presence in the virtual world. Types of virtual reality experiences. 1. Non-immersive VR. Also known as desktop VR, this type of VR experience allows users to interact with 3D environments through a computer screen using input devices like a mouse and keyboard. While it lacks the full immersion of HMD-based VR, it can still provide a degree of interactivity. 2. Semi-immersive VR. These setups involve larger screens or projection systems that surround the user, providing a more immersive experience compared to desktop VR but without the full immersion of HMD-based VR. 3. Fully immersive VR. This is the most common and advanced form of VR, where users wear HMDs and often use motion tracking and motion controllers to interact with the virtual environment. It offers a highly immersive experience, making users feel like they are inside the virtual world. Applications of virtual reality. 1. Gaming and entertainment. VR gaming allows players to immerse themselves in virtual worlds, providing a more engaging and interactive gaming experience. 2. Training and education. VR is used in various industries, including healthcare, aviation, military, and education, to simulate real-life scenarios for training and educational purposes. 3. Architecture and design. VR enables architects and designers to create virtual walkthroughs of buildings and spaces before they are constructed, allowing for better visualization and understanding. 4. Healthcare and therapy. VR is utilized for pain management, exposure therapy for phobias, and rehabilitation exercises. 5. Social interaction. VR can provide social experiences, enabling users to meet and interact with others in virtual environments. Challenges and future of virtual reality. Despite significant advancements, VR still faces some challenges, including 1. Cost. High-quality VR equipment can be expensive, limiting its accessibility to a broader audience. 2. Motion sickness. Some users may experience motion sickness or discomfort due to discrepancies between physical movement and virtual movement. 3. Content and interactivity. VR experiences require compelling content and interactive elements to keep users engaged. The future of VR is promising, with ongoing developments focusing on improving hardware, reducing costs, enhancing realism, and expanding the scope of applications. As technology evolves, VR is expected to become more widespread and integrated into various aspects of daily life. VR is changing the way we experience the digital realm. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech adventures, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay virtual.